Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another try-on haul video. I received the package from So Aesthetic. I will leave the link of the website below, guys. I love the aesthetic of their website. When they contacted me, I checked the website right away and I was like, wow, this website is cool. So I received multiple packages, guys. So I think I have 12 pieces in my order, and I received maybe 10 packages out of the 12 that I ordered. I do not know why they didn't send it in a single package because I placed the order all at once naman. Anyway, I have a 10% off discount for you guys if you want to order from the website. So the code is RHAZE and you will get 10% off if you guys are interested. It's already getting cold here, so I got a lot of warm clothing, sweaters, jackets. So I will go ahead and show you guys. I'm actually really excited. So the first package is in here. I did open most of them already kasi I wanted to make sure na this is from So Aesthetic talaga. So this is the first one. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I'm really into this color, like mustard, like dark yellow. It is actually really soft, and I hope the inside is comfy. But it is an oversized sweater. I think this is one size fits all. I will be posting the pictures here, the prices as well, and then the size. So that's that. Oh my gosh, malalaglag sila, beja. It looks really cute actually. So I will be trying it on. By the way, just so you guys know, I love my clothes to be baggy. I don't like very fitted clothes. I just want to be comfy. So most of the stuff that you will see here are like baggy clothes. I saw some comments saying you should not wear this and you should not wear that. I will wear whatever makes me comfortable. So yeah, and this one makes me really comfortable. It's actually really nice inside. The inside. Who's texting me? I'm just wearing sweatpants right now, so please bear with me. But this is the first one. I love it. I love the color. The sleeve is not too long. I like that it's kind of like turtleneck as well, but not like turtleneck like this. So I love it. Oh! And it has some agay. Meron siyang slit sa gilid. Diyan. Alright, next one is... Okay. Oh, I remember this because that's me. I need coffee every morning, and it says good morning as well. It's not the best fabric actually. It's very see-through. So I'm not 100% sure if I will actually wear it out. If I wear it, I'm just gonna wear it like inside the house, but not outside. I really like the print though because that is so me. So let's try it on. It's so hard to change clothes when you have full face of makeup on because you just don't want to ruin your makeup. Anyway, if you guys are interested, I did a first impression review of Untitled's brushes. I'm not sure which video will be up first, but yeah, that's why I have this makeup on. Anyway, this is the top. This is the size extra small. I just saw the tag earlier when I was putting it on. I love this top. I will be wearing this sa bahay lang. I'm not gonna go out wearing this, or maybe I can if I have like a jacket over it because it's very see-through. Like you guys can see my undergarment. It is very see-through. If it was a better fabric, better material, I will definitely wear it out because like that's me right there. It is another t-shirt. Ooh, and there's a hair tie. I'm not sure if I ordered a hair tie. Did I? Or I don't think I ordered a hair tie, guys. But this package comes with a hair tie. This top is a Crybaby top. I got this because this is so me as well. The fabric is slightly better than the white one. And it looks like that. Crybaby. I like that the sleeve is not too big as well because most of the sleeves are way too big on me. Especially because I have like... What?
Tony asked, have we got an hour for champagne?
What time are we leaving?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, alright. I love this top. The length is not too bad as well. Crybaby. Whoops.
1 hour and 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah. You'll be alright.
Okay.
We'll leave here 15.
We have 20 minutes left, people. So let's zoom right in. Okay, now what's in here? Guys, I have been looking for a perfect coat. It's really long. Really long. Okay, let's try it on. Oh my gosh. Ah, perfect. The sleeve is not too long, so it's not like covering my hand like that. It looks like this. Ah, you can't really tell because it's black. Wait, I'll try it on with a different top in a bit. We have a sweater. And it's pink. It's kind of like a very subtle velvet material. But it looks like that. Again, it's kind of like that turtleneck, but not really. Because it's not like overly covering your neck. I like it, guys. I know it looks really big, but ganyan lang talaga siya. I like it. I like the color as well. I'm not really a big fan of pink, but this one is kind of like mauvey. Not really. Parang very muted pink. It's not like in-your-face pink, which I like. And it says, you be you. You be you, boo. See? I like it. I actually really like it. I can wear this with leggings or, you know, jeans. I know it looks really big, guys, but that's just how it is. And the back, nothing. But yeah, it's very comfy. The inside is very nice material as well. Kind of like that really soft, fuzzy. This one here, a jacket. Yes. They have a lot of very nice like pastel pieces there. They actually have this in lavender as well, but I already have like a lavender sweater, so I went for the like sky blue or light blue. And yeah, it looks really cute. This is like very sweet looking, like very teenager. That's not me. Again, it has that really nice fluffy material that feels really nice skin. And it has a hood, which, oh my gosh, I like it. I really like it, guys. It has pockets as well there, and it feels really nice and warm. Like, it's thick, but it's not heavy, which I like. I don't like heavy sweaters or jumpers or jackets. Very roomy as well, so if it's really, really cold, you still can wear something underneath and you'll be fine kasi meron na siyang space. And yeah, I like it. Alright, next is this one here. I got this because of Dan, actually. The material is not very good. It's very thin. It's very thin, guys. As in, see? It's kind of like almost see-through. I'm not sure if you can see. I wasn't very sure about the color because I'm really not into like this, like white with green and like stripes. But I just got it because of the cactus, because Dan loves cactus, and yeah, I just want to have something with cactus on it. Yeah, the fabric is really thin, guys. It looks nice though. Like, maybe I can wear this inside the house. It's not scratchy. Like, the inside is not scratchy. It has the same kind of like fluffy material in the inside, which feels really nice. I just don't like that it's very thin. It looks nice from afar, but when you look closely, you can tell that the material and the fabric is not the best fabric. Now we have this denim baby here, light wash denim jacket. I have a denim jacket, but it is a dark wash denim jacket. I love this. The length is perfect. Like, I like that it has that oversized look, but not too long. It's kind of like it's made for me. Kasi, look, the length of the sleeve is just perfect. The length of the jacket itself is just perfect, like there. So yeah, I love it. And it has real pockets as well, you guys. And it's not like annoying denim as well. It's a very nice, like, thin denim, which I prefer. I know a lot of people prefer like the thick denim and they want to feel like the denim, but no, I prefer the thick denim. The thin. I prefer the thin denim because I just want it to be like chill. Next up is this one here. It's a lavender hoodie. Okay, looks like this. Oh, cute! Look at that. It has the moon and the stars. I love you to the moon and back. I love the color, guys. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of Purple Aries. Aisha, this is yours. Hala, ang ganda. It doesn't have pockets, but it's alright. I love it. The hood. I love the color that it's not like, you know what? It's that perfect lavender pastel shade. I think most of the jackets that I ordered are one size fits all. And for me, it fits me perfectly. Again, I prefer baggy, especially when it comes to like sweaters or jackets like this. Again, it has room inside so I can layer up when it's really, really cold. But yeah, I like this one. Okay, next is this one here. Oh, it's pink. Anything, wait. Alright, it says anything. And I like the sleeve. It has, what do you call this? Ruching? No. It's a thinner material but not see-through, which is good for like cold days but not like extremely cold. So yeah, this is gonna be perfect for those days. Oh, I love this color on me as well. It's kind of like a dusty pink color. So it's not, again, it's not in-your-face pink. It's a really nice muted dusty pink. I love this actually. I really do. Meron siyang white and then gray combination. Almost done. 2 minutes? 3 minutes? Guys, tinatawag na tayo na mister. May lakad kami. But yeah, it has pockets and it's really nice. Actually, I will wear this today. Okay, now we'll try on the coat. It is a long coat, you guys. It fits. It's long, but it fits. It has pockets as well, real pockets. It's not like super thick coat, so maybe you will need to layer up like what I'm doing now. So you can wear like a jacket underneath and then the coat, because again, it's not like super thick coat, but I like it. Can you see? Oh my gosh, you still can't see, but it's really long like that. Actually, I'm not 100% sure if I will like end up wearing this because it's like way too long, but who knows, we'll see. All right, last one is this one here. It's black. It's kind of like and then the back looks like this. I know, but it's not F, it's L. It's luck. It's not the F one. L-U-C-K. It looks cute. I actually thought I ordered the red one because they have this in red as well, but no, I didn't. I got the black. Ooh, it is a bit big. Like, I know I said I like baggy, but this is like, I think way too big. Maybe it will fit Dan. Look at this. It's so big, but the back says lack. So yeah, it's so cute though. The fabric is kind of like a rough fabric, but the inside is really soft. Again, it has that really nice fluffy material in the inside. It has the pockets as well, the hood as well. Oh, I actually like it. You know what? I like it. Even if it's really like oversized looking, I still like it. It's really nice, like, you know, you look really cozy with it on. Anyway, I'm literally in a hurry because we're heading out like now. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. But thank you so much guys for watching. Bye. Mwah.